Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. So after having all meaty and spicy dishes around Bakr Eid, some light and fresh what we need. So I thought to share this chicken chow mein recipe with you guys. This is just like what you get at your favorite Chinese restaurant, but it's made at home in under 25 minutes. This is simple and satisfying entree that is sure to please. So first we need to prepare our noodles. I'm using stir-fry egg noodles, the thin one for this recipe, and just boil them according to the packing instruction, drain them and keep them on the side. Then we need some boneless chicken. I cut my chicken pieces into thin strips. Then I add some salt, white pepper, cornstarch, and then I'll be adding egg white and then discard the yolk. Mix everything until they are completely combined. Then I add each piece individually into a hot oil until the chicken pieces turn light golden from both sides. Then take the chicken pieces out and just put them on the piece of paper towel to absorb some excess oil, and then keep the chicken pieces on the side. Now it's time to assemble. I took a big wok, heat some oil, then add some minced garlic. Saute the garlic for like a minute or two. Then I added my vegetables. I'm using shredded carrots, sliced capsicum. Then I'll be adding very thinly sliced cabbage as well. Stir fry the vegetables with the oil for like a minute or two. Make sure you're not overcooking them so they get soggy. Then I add my cooked chicken, just stir to combine. Now it's time to add some salt, white pepper. I'll be adding some oyster sauce. Then I add some soy sauce. Again, combine until all sauces are mixed up. And now it's time to add our pre-boiled egg noodles. Just combine everything, stir fry for like a couple more minutes, and it's done. Easy chicken chow mein that anyone can make at home. It's a versatile recipe, and if you want to make it more traditional, you can add in some green sprouts, or for more textures, you could add in water chestnut or sliced mushrooms as well. Chow mein is just perfect for cleaning out your fridge. The best part is you can easily swap in whatever you like or whatever you have on hand. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please don't forget to take a picture and send it to me. And if you want to learn something else, please let me know. I'll try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.